In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, to get started, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the ChatGPT website. You can do this by simply typing in chatgpt.com in your address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the site, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Now, after you've logged into your account, you'll see a clean user interface that's quite intuitive. Right at the bottom of the chat window, you will notice an option labeled Add Photos and Files. This is where the upload magic happens. Click on that option, and it will prompt you to either drag and drop files or browse through your computer to select the documents or images you want to share. So let's say you have a specific file you want to upload. Just click on Add Photos and Files and navigate through your folders until you find the file. It could be a PDF, a Word document, or an image. ChatGPT supports a variety of formats. Choose the file and click Open, and you will see it appear in your chat window ready to send. At this point, this is where you get to be creative with your interaction. Once your file is uploaded, you can type in your prompt to ChatGPT. For instance, if you just uploaded a paper for feedback, you could type something like, "Can you help me with suggestions on improving this article?" Or "What do you think about the data presented in this chart?" This kind of prompt can help you get the best responses tailored to your needs. Once you've entered your prompt, hit enter, and ChatGPT will process your request. Shortly, you'll receive feedback or answers based on the content of your uploaded file. This enables a much more engaging interaction, as you can get insights on specific pieces of information or guidance related to your documents. And there you go. It's pretty straightforward, right? Uploading files to ChatGPT is a great way to get detailed answers and insights based on actual content you're working with. It makes the whole process of seeking assistance much more efficient. In case you need to upload another file, just repeat the earlier steps. Navigate back to Add Photos and Files, select a new document, and enter your question again. You can keep building on the conversation, making it as dynamic as you like. If you're finding these steps helpful, don't forget to tap that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. And remember, just have fun with the interaction. The more you use the upload feature, the more you'll discover how beneficial it can be for your specific needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made your experience with ChatGPT a lot smoother and more productive. Happy chatting!